Here at Bodoland University, we gathered here because of the campaign against the Bodo community, where there has been repeated instances where the Bodo community has been shamed by the intellectuals, by the academicians, and by the research scholars for the incidents which have been committed by few insurgent groups which belong to the Bodo community. It is unfair to blame the entire community for the incidents which have been committed by very few fringe elements which do not represent the entire Bodo community. We condemn such repeated shaming of our community, and we feel that such repeated action should not happen in the future, because the Bodos, they constitute the largest indigenous community in the entire Northeast, and our language, the Bodo language, is also one of the languages which are recognized as Schedule 8 languages, and it is one of the 22 languages which has the status of official language in the Constitution of India. And therefore it is very shameful that the academicians, the intellectuals, they do not know the largest indigenous community of the entire Northeast. It undermines the legitimacy of our movement, because the Bodos are still struggling for the movement, for their political movement, and I believe that such repeated name shaming, where the entire Bodo community has been portrayed as militants, as terrorists, it's a shameful incident, and I believe that such renowned intellectuals, whom we consider as people who of intellect and people who are supposed to be the torchbearers of the society, we believe that such intellectuals and academicians will do a proper groundwork and proper research before writing anything about any community or whatsoever, because